Live One Co. Seekers of Wealth, we are unveiling exactly how the affluent operate to accumulate massive wealth. To get right to the point, those with infinite amounts of wealth and riches become wealthy by living by the finished is better than flawless rule. Movers and shakers in the world say goodbye to perfection and hello to refinement. They are able to do many things by continually producing their ideas. Are you a mover and shaker? Are you a continually enterprising person? Finishing something to them or their ideas being realized is way better than their ideas having flawless execution before enterprising it and adding a price tag for customer consumption. To them, their life's motto is that done is better than perfect, because rarely perfect gets done. But they also understand that their life's potential has nothing to do with what they've already accomplished, but their potential is what they haven't done yet. It's that opportunity they still need to get to. They don't start by rolling out the perfect product or service. They just create their products and services and make them available in the market as fast as possible. The finished is better than flawless mindset is where the most elite obsess over their customers and audience's needs and how they can bring them the most value right now. Again, they don't start with the perfect product or service. They just start. They put all their focus into the 20% of what matters for what they will deliver without skimping on quality. The other 80% is considered to be just fluff for now. They know they can work out all the kinks later by refining. Those that do not bring their ideas into fruition and put what they produce out in the marketplace don't because of fear. Unfortunately, they fear the possible disapproval and rejection of others and therefore never follow through. However, the affluent operate in fearlessness by setting their insecurities aside and moving forward with what they're doing to acquire status and wealth. Being the best at something for consumer consumption is not what they aim towards. They focus more on being the first to market, the very first to release something new. They don't punish their clients by making them wait forever for delivery on their new project. They are very good at being consistent. They give their clients what they need and want right now, today. The wealthy serve people. They serve their consumers today and not tomorrow, knowing it's okay if it's not perfect initially. They can continue to make it better and better over time through iterations. Completing something is better than it being perfect. Completion means you can get your realized ideas to the market faster, but trying to make it absolutely perfect could take you a lifetime, and the affluent understand that. Are you too focused on perfecting your ideas versus your ideas becoming realized and available for others to invest in? Though we humans strive for perfection, we're not perfect at all because factually speaking, we ourselves, us humans, are imperfect beings. We are flawed, yet we are dynamic. The most successful let others benefit from their works and ideas right now. They work diligently to tap into their untapped opportunities to continue to serve and expand their wealth. Those that are very prosperous use their ideas to solve problems to gain profit. They are able to explore many endeavors because the refining of what they produce sits in the hands of those they hire to be part of their team to keep the engines running on that profitable initiative while they delve into more income-producing projects and opportunities that enlarge their stakes in overall wealth, while still keeping pulse on everything they've touched. The wealthy BODD, they build, organize, document, and delegate their enterprises. BODD, building a product or service, organizing, documenting, and delegating it is why they're able to quickly transition to working their next great big idea, while the current one remains intact and continues to be refined by the expert teams they've hired to oversee it, so that they can confidently work on their next stream of income. The affluent put management into place to sustain their endeavors. They are able to do this because they have a strong awareness of their gifts and talents and how to maximize them to achieve many things in life that produce residual income for them, all while not being overly concerned with perfectionism because they've learned to embrace their flaws. The finished is better than flawless mindset keeps the prosperous grounded and reminds them that all they need to do is to get it done and get it out there to produce more income. Though humanly desired, perfection is not a requirement. Over time, they make improvements and enhancements to their realized ideas, but the affluent never delay the train to accumulate their abundance of income for sustainability and to grow their wealth. The time is now for you to begin acquiring wealth. The time is now for you to put all fears aside regarding your ideas and to move forward with producing your ideas into something tangible, something marketable to begin your wealth journey. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out more valuable videos in our wealth generation playlist by clicking the pop-up video on your screen now. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you'll never miss a video where we live, learn, and create.